How to use Jibble. So, for a general explanation, this is pretty much just a cloud-based time tracking and attendance tool used by businesses to monitor employee work hours, projects, and productivity. Of course, it can be used by other users, but to get started, you can go ahead and open up Jibble website in your preferred browser. So just go ahead and search for Jibble and then open up the www.jibble.io website. And then you will be able to see this. You can book a demo, you can log in. If for some reason you already have an account, you can press on start now over here, but you can also choose the track time for free. Once you do that, you're going to have to sign up using the available options like Google or email, but whichever you prefer. In our case, we went with the Gmail option, but once we have done that, we will be automatically brought to our dashboard once we have our account. So you can then invite your team members by email so they can join your workspace, create activities, projects, or clients to track where time is being spent. Employees can even clock in using the web dashboard. With that, the desktop app, mobile app, and integrations like Slack or even Microsoft Teams. Once everything is set up, team members simply clock in when they start work and clock out when they finish, of course, all while doing it in Jibble. Take a look at the left panel, which is where most of the tools will be found. You got the dashboard, you have the timesheet. You can choose to start a tour, which they will explain you what it truly does, or you could explore it yourself. Again, pretty much depends on you. You got live locations, you even have the time offs, reports, settings, people, work schedules, time off and holidays, and more. And if you want even more than that, you can upgrade your plan to access the more advanced features. So while breaks and activity changes can also be logged with one click, Jibble can automatically have a record when the time entries and generates timesheets, reports, and productivity insights that managers or users can use for payroll, billing, or attendance tracking. So the platform can also include features like GPS tracking, facial recognition, check-ins, and integrations with accounting tools to make workforce management easier. But that is the general idea on how Jibble works. It's much recommended to take a look and explore the website or the tool itself since it does have a lot to give. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully the information can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.